and this one got punched right at the A post.
I stay putting in that work. Everything I get, I'm hurt. You can tell by the way I walk, I ain't just talking about it. I stay putting in that work. Everything I get, I'm hurt. You can tell by the way I walk, I ain't just talking about it. I stay putting in that work. I'm up in the morning, like 5 in the morning, I'm already on. So when you just getting out of the box, while I'm rounding the corner, this ain't a persona. I do this for real.
So I have a Honda Civic here. This one, I guess this damage has been on this for a while and they just decided to fix it. But it's crushed right in this area, mostly right here. But then you come over to the other side and we have the exact same thing. So we're fixing this side as well. Right in this area. This I might have to oil the tab on this one to bring it out. We'll see how it goes. So I'm sitting this molding on here to find exactly where the peak of this body line is, and I'll mark it. So this quarter panel has all been worked on before. I can see there's body filler all in this area. And I actually think that's the reason this is in. I think it's from a prior accident. But I went ahead and put a tab on here anyway, just to see if I could bring this out a little bit, get it to line up a little better. It's moving it. Alright, now on to this side. I got the metal work all done on that other side. Alright, I got the metal work all done on this one. I'm going to send it over to Eric to do the fill work on, and I'm going to dive into the next one. So I have a Mazda CX9 here. This one's getting a new fender, new door, and this one got punched right at the A-post where the door hinges mount. This one's tweaked just a little bit. This one's pushed in down here. So I'm gonna go ahead, I'm gonna put a couple clamps on this to keep the car from moving, and I'm gonna pull off this hinge to roll that out. And luckily I have access from the inside, so I'll be able to get in there if I need to and work it out that way as well. I think it should come out pretty good. So I'm gonna bolt the old door hinge on here. I'm gonna use that to pull off of, and once I put pressure on it, I'll probably hit it from the back side as well. So this came out really nice actually. These are typically perfectly flat. And so I'm gonna go ahead and I'm gonna wipe it with a thin coat of filler, and then I'll fit my door up. I'll show you guys a little trick here to keep from getting filler inside of your threads of your bolt holes. Take a bolt and cut it off, and you thread it in there, and that will protect the threads inside of there. So that way, once you wipe the filler, then you could just pull these back out. So the door is lining up really nice. I'm gonna go ahead, I'm gonna take it out of this clamp and fit the fender up too. The clamp's in the way of where the fender, oh wait, no it's not, it mounts right here. Never mind, I'll fit the fender right now. Door and fender line up good. Lines up good at the rear door. I got a little repair work to do here on the edge of the rear door. Alright, I got this one just about wrapped up. The car's ready to prime. The fender is ready to prime. But that will be for Monday morning. I will talk to you guys next week.